It turns out that during after my 10th, I had shifted schools from CBSE to state board, and my new school was near my house, but it felt like I never was meant to be there. You know how it feels when you shift schools after like 10 years in a different school and now you're shifting. I felt the same way. I mean, I had one of my old friends from my old school with me, but still it felt like I was never meant to be there. It's like the students were like strangers to me. I tried befriending them, but all it turned out was that I was a lost cause over there. It turns out that I was asking a student, how do you write the paper in the state board method? Because being a CBSE student for 10 years, I was habitual to cutting short everything and writing it in my own words. But state board is not like that, right? And everyone knows how difficult it is to graduate from a state board. So I was asking students, and they told me like, no, when it's exam time, we'll tell you. When it's exam time, we'll tell you. They just kept ignoring my questions. And finally, when the exams came and I wrote it my own way, I realized I was never supposed to write like that. And then I asked the teacher how I was supposed to write it. The teachers asked, why didn't you ask your friends over there? I was like, how am I supposed to ask them, ma'am? I asked them a million times every day. But all they told me was they'll tell me when the exams arrive. It felt like, I don't know, it felt strange over there, literally. But somehow I got into it, I adjusted into it, and I graduated with flying colors. Because if not for then I wouldn't be where I am right now. And currently, I'm learning a course in naturopathy over here in Chennai. And it's been a wonderful experience learning that course. But 11th was something I'm never going to forget because my school was a Christian medium actually. It was a Christian based school, a CSI board Christian based school. So everyone knows like how Christian based schools are like usually an all girls one at that. So yeah, it was a very, very, very different experience. One that actually helped shape my life into a proper method. Because if not, I would have never made it through that. That's all I can say for today.